Ready? Good boy. Nice. We've had a couple of new subscribers, haven't we? Yeah, we have. Good boy. Oh, he's enjoying it. Nice. Cheeky. Oh, you've got 2 eggs in here. Huh. And you're a lovely boy. Moving it around. What a funny face. Okay. Here you go. Look at that. Obviously, for people that don't know, it's obviously a dead old chick while he gets fed. Because he's got to have fur or feather. And he doesn't like mice. For some reason. No idea why. But he likes these, so. And we put a supplement on as well, so he gets all the goodness that he needs from it. Whoops. Nearly done. I think this is the quickest one yet. Yeah. There you go. All gone. How was that? How was that? I've actually got a couple of wild barn owl pellets. Our wild barn owl who comes to see Luna. What I'm thinking about doing is disintegrating them and taking out the bones to see what we can see what they've had to eat. And our video, it's really interesting. So I'm going to video that for you, and also that'll be another video coming. But this boy, he loves his come down with me. Don't you? Yeah, you do. You do. He's so laid back. And yeah, he's so laid back. But obviously he's starting to get heavier now because he's laying down fat cells for breeding season. Which he has been breeding the past couple of weeks. With me and my husband. Yeah. I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you. Yeah. By the hairs on my chinny chin chin. There we go. So please don't forget to give us thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, hype it, leave a comment down below, and also share the video because you know people do love to see barn owls, and every little bit helps. If there's any other videos you'd like to see me do with Luna, whether it's come and fly with me or see him have a bath, just let me know and I'm sure I'll be able to accommodate them. Won't we? Yeah. 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 Yeah, we will. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. But please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, hit that button, leave a comment and share it. That would be fab. And me and this gorgeous one will see you later on for our next common feed with me, which will be in another couple of days. Okay guys, bye.